Welcome. In this video, I'll share with you how you can make faceless YouTube videos using AI. No camera, no editing skills is needed. If you find this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, whether you want to create tutorials, storytelling, or automation channels, AI tools make it super easy. And that's what we're going to talk about in this video. First, you have to choose a niche for your faceless channel. Popular niches include tech, finance, motivation, and storytelling. Then you can use AI tools like ChatGPT or Jasper AI to generate your script. Just type a topic and the AI will write a full script for you. Now, turn your script into a voiceover using AI tools like 11 Labs, Mouth AI, or Play HT. These tools they create realistic, natural sounding voices so you don't have to record anything yourself. Next, you have to generate visuals using AI video tools like InVideo AI, Pictory, or Synthesia. In Pictory, simply upload your script and the AI will create a full video with the stock footage and also subtitles automatically. For unique content, you can use AI image generators like Midjourney, Leonardo AI, or OpenArt to create custom visuals for your video. You can also animate them with tools like DID or Hagen to make them more engaging if that's what you're interested in. To refine your video further, you can use simple AI video editors like CapCut or Canva to add text, transitions, and also effects. Once you are happy with it, you can export your video in HD or 4K. Then you get ready to upload it on your platform. Now, if you want clicks and more views, you can then go ahead and automate it even further. You can use AI YouTube title and thumbnail generators like Thumbnail AI or Canva to optimize your content for clicks. That's how you can make faceless YouTube videos using AI. No filming, no voice recording, just pure automation. If this video helped you, hit the like button and subscribe for more AI videos like this. If you have any questions concerning how to generate videos using AI for YouTube, drop them in the comments. I'll be very happy to respond to you. Otherwise, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.